Hi there and welcome to this video about post-check loops. In a lot of languages these are do loops or do until, these sorts of things. Okay, but the concept of a post-check loop is what we're looking at in this video. Now a post-check loop is a little bit like a game of Snap in that if we let's say we've got Georgia and Bob here and they're going to play a game of Snap. Now we need them to continue to put cards down until the top card and the card underneath match. Okay, so we're going to need to do that. Now the thing with a post-check loop is that, and this is the key difference, is that the loop will happen once, always happen once before the check, before the condition is checked. So in this case, the two instructions, which are Georgia needs to put down a card and Bob needs to put down a card. Okay, and that's going to continue happening. Okay, and at each point then we check whether the two cards actually match each other. So it's continuing. Oops, sorry, wrong one. We're continuing to do this until a particular condition is met. And the condition we're looking for is that, there we go, is that the top card and the card underneath match. Okay, so that has now become true. Okay, at which point we now stop the loop. So we do the loop until a particular condition exists, or so it's like a do until is where it's sort of it's how we normally call it. Okay, so key thing really is one is it's called a post-check loop, meaning we check it at the end of the loop rather than the start of the loop. So it will always happen once before the condition is actually checked, which is what happened here. We put the cards down before we checked whether or not they were actually equal to each other. Okay, so that's a post-check loop in programming.